Deep beneath our feet lies a hidden world. This is the Earth's core, a place of intense heat and pressure. We cannot see it directly. It is hidden by thousands of miles of rock. Yet, the core plays a vital role in our planet's existence. It is a place of mystery and wonder. Scientists are working to unravel its secrets. The journey to the Earth's core is a daunting task. The pressure at the center of the Earth is immense. It is about 3.6 million times the pressure at sea level. The temperature is also extreme, reaching over 5,000 degrees Celsius. This heat is hotter than the surface of the sun. These conditions make it impossible to send probes or instruments directly to the core. The darkness is also a major obstacle. There is no light at the Earth's core. This makes it impossible to use visual methods to study this region. Despite these challenges, scientists have developed ingenious ways to explore the Earth's core. These methods rely on indirect observations and inferences. The Earth's core is a source of endless fascination for scientists. It holds clues to the planet's formation billions of years ago. Studying the core helps us to understand the Earth's magnetic field. This field protects us from harmful solar radiation. One of the biggest mysteries surrounding the core is its exact composition. We know it is primarily made up of iron and nickel, but the precise proportions and presence of other elements remain uncertain. Scientists are also working to understand the dynamics of the core. How does the liquid outer core flow around the solid inner core? How does this movement contribute to the Earth's magnetic field? These questions drive ongoing research and exploration. Unveiling the secrets of the Earth's core is crucial. It can help us predict earthquakes and volcanic eruptions more accurately. Despite the challenges, scientists have developed ingenious methods to study the Earth's core. One of the most important tools is seismology. This is the study of earthquakes. When an earthquake occurs, it sends out seismic waves that travel through the Earth. These waves change speed and direction as they pass through different layers of the Earth. By studying these changes, scientists can map the Earth's interior, including the core. Seismic waves act like giant X-rays, revealing the hidden structure of our planet. Another important tool is the study of the Earth's magnetic field. This field is generated by the movement of molten iron in the outer core. By analyzing the patterns and changes in the magnetic field, scientists can learn about the core's dynamics and composition. The Earth's core is not a single, uniform entity. It is divided into two distinct layers, the inner core and the outer core. The inner core, about 1,220 kilometers thick, is a solid ball of mostly iron. The pressure at the inner core is so great that iron, even though it is extremely hot, cannot exist in a liquid state. Surrounding the inner core is the outer core, a layer of liquid iron and nickel approximately 2,200 kilometers thick. The outer core is less dense than the inner core. This is because the pressure is lower, allowing the iron and nickel to remain in a liquid state. The boundary between the inner and outer core is not a smooth, perfect sphere. There are variations in thickness and composition. Scientists believe that these variations may play a role in the generation of the Earth's magnetic field. Section 5. The Heart of Heat. The Earth's core is an inferno, with temperatures exceeding 5,000 degrees Celsius, which is about 9,032 degrees Fahrenheit. This intense heat originates from two primary sources. The first is the heat left over from the Earth's formation billions of years ago. When the Earth formed, it was a molten ball of rock and metal. As the Earth cooled, the heavier elements, like iron and nickel, sank to the center, forming the core. This process released a tremendous amount of heat, some of which is still trapped within the Earth's core today. The second source of heat is radioactive decay. The Earth's interior contains radioactive elements, such as uranium, thorium, and potassium. As these elements decay, they release heat. This heat contributes to the high temperatures found in the core. Section 6. Earth's Magnetic Guardian. One of the most important functions of the Earth's core is the generation of its magnetic field. This field acts as a protective shield, deflecting harmful solar wind and cosmic rays. The magnetic field is created by the movement of liquid iron in the outer core. As the Earth rotates, the liquid iron flows in complex patterns, creating electric currents. These electric currents, in turn, generate a magnetic field that extends far out into space. The Earth's magnetic field is not static. It fluctuates in strength and direction over time. These fluctuations are caused by changes in the flow of liquid iron in the outer core. Scientists are still working to fully understand the complex processes that drive these changes. Section 7. The core's choreography. The Earth's core is in constant motion. The inner core rotates, and the liquid outer core flows around it in complex patterns. These movements have profound effects on the Earth's rotation, plate tectonics, and magnetic field. The rotation of the inner core is thought to be slightly faster than the rotation of the Earth's surface. This difference in rotation speed is caused by the transfer of angular momentum between the inner core and the mantle. The flow of liquid iron in the outer core is driven by convection. Heat from the inner core rises through the outer core, cools, and then sinks back down. This continuous cycle of heating and cooling creates convection currents that drive the movement of the liquid iron. Section 8. Magnetic anomalies. The Earth's magnetic field is not perfectly uniform. It has areas of greater and lesser intensity known as magnetic anomalies. These anomalies are caused by variations in the flow of liquid iron in the outer core. Magnetic anomalies can have significant effects on our planet. They can influence the behavior of compass needles, making navigation more challenging. They can also disrupt satellite communications and GPS systems. Scientists study magnetic anomalies to gain a better understanding of the dynamics of the Earth's core. By analyzing the patterns and changes in magnetic anomalies, scientists can make inferences about the flow of liquid iron in the outer core. This information is crucial for predicting future changes in the Earth's magnetic field. Section 9. Our planet's protector. The Earth's core plays a vital role in protecting life on our planet. The intense heat of the core drives plate tectonics, which shapes the Earth's surface and creates diverse habitats. The movement of tectonic plates also helps to regulate the Earth's climate by recycling carbon dioxide between the atmosphere and the Earth's interior. However, the core's most crucial role is generating the Earth's magnetic field. This field acts as a shield, deflecting harmful solar wind and cosmic rays that would otherwise strip away our atmosphere and bombard the surface with dangerous radiation. Without the Earth's magnetic field, life as we know it would not be possible. Scientists continue to study the Earth's core to understand its mysteries better. By unraveling the secrets of this hidden realm, we gain a deeper understanding of our planet's history, evolution, and its delicate balance that makes life possible.